right. I'm researching the evolution of cancer research. This interests me because cancer is the second leading cause of death across the world, and millions of families are affected by it every day. Also, the evolution of our technology to find a cure or vaccines for it interests me. What I hope to learn, I've been reading articles claiming that doctors are on the verge of finding vaccines or cures for cancer or ways to prevent cancer. So I hope to learn more about our present day technology and hopefully find how they plan to make a cure for it. My information so far, so just basic information about cancer. Cancer can start anywhere in the body. Cancer is basically a disease where cancer cells start to form and they rapidly grow, which can be seen as growths in the body, and they infect healthy cells, and it's just an ongoing process. Cancer can be treated very well for people nowadays. More people now than ever can live full lives after cancer treatment. And cancer is not just one disease. There's over 100 types of cancer. It can start in any part of the body. So I made a pretty basic timeline of just some of the most important things in the history of cancer. In 1846, the first anesthetic surgery was performed by a dentist from Boston named William Morton. This was the first time that a doctor is ever able to remove a growth on someone without having them have any pain. So, very important. 1903, radiation surgery was invented, where doctors could remove skin cancer through radiation. In 1937, Franklin Roosevelt founded the National Cancer Institute, where they researched the causes, diagnosis, and treatments of cancer. And in the late 1960s, smoking was a big deal, and doctors claimed that it relieved stress and it was healthy for people. But there is a report issued by the U.S. Surgeon General and the U.K. Royal College of Physicians saying that cancer is actually bad. Smoking is actually bad for you, and it causes serious health issues, including lung cancer. In the 1970s, things that we know as CT scans, which are computed tomography scan, allowed doctors to clearly see tumors and cancers inside of people's brains. In 1981, a hepatitis B vaccine was invented, and this was like the first ever vaccine that can help prevent cancer, because hepatitis C can infect the liver and cause cancer there. So in 1990s, computers continued to advance, and 3D treatment plans for radiation surgery were invented. And now in 2015, over 14 million Americans are cancer survivors. And in 1971, there were only 3 million American cancer survivors, so it's a big jump. Some interesting facts about cancer. There's over 100 types of cancer and can affect any part of the body. Over 30% of all cancer could be prevented by avoiding tobacco and alcohol. Marijuana can freeze cancer cells and avoid them from spreading. Red wine can kill cancer cells. Multivitamins can increase the risk of heart disease and other cancers. Trained dogs can sniff out prostate cancer. And plants and trees can get cancer. And that's a picture of a tree that has cancer. My working thesis, based off of our growing understanding of the disease and constant improvements in technology, I believe that there will be a cure for cancer in our future.